Okay, so welcome to another video, and in this video I'm going to unbox this new model, which is a Toyota Camry facelift. So if you want to buy it, I'll put the link in the description. You can buy this model from ebay.com or aliexpress.com. I'll put both the link in the description. If you are not already, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and you can also follow me on Instagram at miniature_automobiles. So let's get started. So hope you have enjoyed the video. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.